Wait lang. Kaya lakas daddy.
Dili man, hindi hangin. Alright, masad ta. Full pack. And let's go. Let's make memories. Ug karon for today's video, another rides. Go! Another adventure. And another place to visit. Mga lugar nga wala na to damha nga exist. O kung wala pa ka nakaanhi diri tara, uban ta. At sabay nating saksihan ang kanindot sa atong kinaiyahan. Wow! Ay! Woo! Ang lindo ang balibo! Woo! Yeah!
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
Ayun na.
Ang galing mga.
Dinay. Dili magdagandagan na. Awit ka, mami. Awit ka, mami.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like
Tap sa gamit kayo.
when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one.
Basta mga inani yan, wala suga. Kitchen set. Butane gas.
Hindi ka possible.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Ano ba kayo nga Valentine's date kay wag Spirit of the Glass? Spirit of the Glass na. So mo na hubog naman eh.
So, mo na oginis?
Hubog na. Naghubog.
Wala siya na-inform kung dito ba ito.
Ay, balag na hinayon na mo.
Ano man yung mag-ingon, ngapit na yung mga manong planet ang hotdog. Yeah. Ikaw, ano man yung maingon sa mga pisik sa mantika? Okra. Mas okra dito. Mga pretty. Napagkadiari. Di ba sa'yo ka nagmarites? Bisita ni Kuya. May bata di ani nga nagkakalo. Later Einstein. Na din, janitors diri gay ng mga basura o.
Janitress.
Janitors. Kaya morning cooker guys. Kaya ba niya sa January din sa Malipit. Nabiyay bila kilometro. Para magluto, gato.
Kanya mong chef cook, bihar pa nagikan malitbog.
Unsa man? Happy na imong heart? Ha? Happy imong heart? Malusog ka ba ngayon? Kasi nga, nalimot na ko, dako na siya. Buy.
Kagulat kayo.
Nagbuhat na kaglete sa imong mama boy.
Alright, what is up? So, nag-celebrate mi karon ng Valentine's Day. And usually, dili inani among pag-celebrate og Valentine's Day. So, dagan mi karon, in a group mi karon, nagtapok-tapok. Tora sila, muna among set up, mga camping chair, nagluto-luto, kaon ginagmay, ding-banding. So, namin diri karon sa Makasandig Dapit, kilid sa Cagayan River. And muna siya dito ang mga pagkaunan, na po yung mga pagkaunan diya, mga sugbag, mga tinai. So, naong karon dani sa bridge sa ibabaw. So it's a nice, unique, and simple celebration lang sa Valentine's Day. Kauban ang mga amigo o mga kapamilya namo. Sa tinod lang, dili na mo akong plano. So first plan na ako is nakita ko og restaurant mo cater og Valentine's Day. So dito ang taong plano, dito may manihapon, magkaon. So medyo mahal siya, but sulit naman po sa price. And then na-realize na ko nga, what if inani nga set up, kauban ang mga friends, mga family, so chill. So mas makatipid pa ta. Simple, unique, and new experience. So mas enjoy kay dagan mo og sabay-sabay mo nag-celebrate. Let's make it simple, memorable, and that's it. Happy Valentine's Day.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in
Yang pusa, uy! Yung lampu! Yan po yung biya,
Happy birthday, Bia.
biya, gila.
Boy, presa boy.
Go biya. Biya,
staying out on the weekends. I really need something